Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous videos, I have showed you to some control circuits. Some of them like 5 kilowatts inverter control circuit. And here, the electronic welding machine control circuit. However, the above circuits are non-isolated control circuits. In some cases, when the Mosfet burns out, the control circuit will burn out. So today, I will show you how to wrap an isolating gate drive transformer and combine them with a 5 kilowatts inverter control circuit. It will help our control circuit not burn safe when the Mosfet burns. This video is sponsored by JLC PCB. One fact about them: JLC PCB is the largest PCB prototype and supplier in China. With over 20,000 online orders per day, the production capacity is over 620,000 square meter, 1 layer or 2 layers PCB. Upload Gerber file to get high quality PCB at low price. This is a round ferrite toroidal core with an outer diameter of 2.5 centimeters. The inner diameter is 1.5 centimeters. The height is 1.2 centimeters. Now, we will open the Excel file that I shared with you in the previous video, with the core size we just measured. After calculating, we will have E equal to 0.6 square centimeter. Input will be 12 volts. Operating frequency depends on the driver circuit. Here I use 40 kHz. E is equal to 0.6 square centimeters. Now to the output. The voltage we need is 15 volts with a current of 0.5 ampere. Here is the result after calculation. We have the number of turns of the primary wire is 7 turns, the secondary is 8 turns. Now we will wrap a gate driver transformer with the calculated parameters as below. We will use a lane cable because it has many colors, helping us distinguish the wires from each other easily. We have finished winding the primary, the secondary wires are similar. This is the waveform after passing the gate driver transformer. The waveform looks very good. Now we will test reality with pulse transformer from 12 volt to 250 volt. The load of the circuit is a 100 watt 250 volt bulb. The circuit has worked very well. The waveform at the Mosfet pin looks quite good. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Good luck.